Rosés are excellent food pairing wines. They've got the lightness and the brightness of a white wine, but the richness and the dark fruitedness of a red, which meets a lot of cuisines exactly where they need to be. What we like to do is a lighter cuisine with a richer flavor or richer preparation. So consider it with roasted chicken, which we've done here with a little persillade, which is essentially dried shallots, parsley, and some other herbs, just lightly dusted on there with a green salad. Consider it as well with grilled shrimp, which we've done here just simply seasoned with salt, pepper, and a little chili flake on a bed of shaved fennel and red onion in a really light wine vinaigrette. Or a perfect complement might be a Provençal cheese, something like a fresh goat's milk cheese done with just a light dusting of herb de Provence. So try dried thyme, rosemary, maybe a little oregano, and we put a little lavender on here too, which is really going to make you think of spring and pair beautifully with the wines. Cheers.